Hey, did you know that if you change your name, even just the spelling of how you spell your name, it can change your whole experience in life, can change your reality? I mean, think about it. Celebrities are out there, they've changed their name. Let's look at Usher, Madonna, Prince, Pink. Why did they change their name? Do they know something that we don't know? Well, in this two-part series, all about the name in numerology, I'm going to talk about how your name has a huge influence on your life and your experience. Now, in this video here, I talk about the date of birth. So if you're just new to numerology, then check out that video first because it'll explain all about our souls and how our soul chooses an expression. But then we get called a name, and that name can either balance or not balance with our date of birth. So for all the numbers from 1 to 9, there are only two types of numbers, the odd and the even. The odd numbers are emotional, temperamental, inspirational natures, while the even are technical, placid, practical, materialistic. Those whose names are made up of odd numbers are inspirational, temperamental, impressionable, artistic, intuitive, while those with even numbers are names that are practical, analytical, self-reliant, materialistic, skeptical of physical truths and reasons by intellect. And the root of all numbers is from 1 to 9. Therefore, any number that you total your name down to, if it's more than one digit, then you have to bring it down to the single digit. So for example, if you calculate your name and it ends up being a 12, then you're going to take the 2 and the 1 and you're going to add it together. You get a 3. Say you get a 2 and a 7, you're going to add those together and you're going to get a 9. Everything has to come down between the numbers from 1 to 9. Now, we have a numerology which is called the key chart. And that key chart in any alphabet, whether it be Japanese, whether it be English, whether it be Arabic, has a numerical value assigned to each of the letters. It basically goes 1 to 9 and then starts again 1 to 9 until you get to the end of the alphabet. And so each letter has assigned a numerical value, a vibration, a frequency. So let's do a name. Let's do Alfred Sims. So let's start first of all with his first name, Alfred. Now remember that every letter has a corresponding number to it. So let's do Alfred. Each of the letters, as you can see, has a number assigned to it from the key chart. Now when we add them all together, it gives us 28. And then we take the 28 down to 10. And then from that, we take it to a 1. So overall, the vibration for the name Alfred is a 1. Now, if we do Sims, we again put all of the numbers that are assigned to each of the letters. And then when we add them up, we get 15. And then we add 5 and 1 together, and we get 6. So overall, the vibration for the last name is a 6. But if you bring them together, Alfred Sims, you add the 1 and the 6, the overall vibration for that name is a 7. So now you know how to calculate your name. I've showed you with the name Alfred Sims how to calculate it down to a single digit. But now you're wondering, well, does my date of birth match with my name? Well, definitely check out this video that had everything to do with how to calculate your date of birth so that you know what expression your soul chose to come into this lifetime. And then find out, based on your name, whether or not you have a odd number match with an even, or 2 evens, or 2 odds. So I'll see you in the next video as we talk a little bit more about the name.